Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Imran Kabir. Today I am going to explain JSON format. Basically this is a data representation format. Most of the time this is used to exchange data between server and client. So let's get started. The basic format for JSON is just like shown in the slide. You can add curly braces and then key and value pair separated by colon. Here key always be enclosed in double quotes and value can have multiple types. So here are different supported types by JSON. First of all, strings. String is just like key. You can enclose values in double quotes. Next type is number. Number can be integer and can be floated types. Third type is boolean, which can have true or false values. Fourth is null, which typically have null keyword. And the fifth one is array, which can have multiple values separated by commas and enclosed in square brackets. And the sixth and last one is object, which is similar to JSON format. Typically you can use curly braces and then key and value pairs separated by colons. Here value can also be string, number, boolean, null and arrays as well. So let's now check the data in action. I have created a JSON file called user.json, which have some keys. First of all, ID, its value is 33. Name, which have string type Imran Kabir. Available, which is boolean, mean true, which means user is available. Phone, which its value is null. And next is tags, which is an example of array type. Values are enclosed in double quotes and separated by commas. And the last one is address, which is itself an object. Object can have multiple keys and values like city, zip code and country. I have installed an extension called JSON View, which is very useful to view JSON in a formatted way. And here is a user.html, which is basically used to fetch data from this same JSON file. You can see the output of the whole object JSON format. Here is address. Address is also an object, and you can see available, ID, name, phone, tags, all values are displayed in console. So let's have a look on code now. Here is a simple HTML file, which is basically doing a get request through a fetch API. Fetch is a API to make a request to any server file. Here is the JSON. You can see every key is enclosed in double quotes, and I have covered all type of values supported by JSON format. That's it. If you have any question, please add comment and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.